Hi, my name's Miss Finney, and I just wanted to welcome you to Animal Science ANS 110. And I'm so excited to have you in my course this semester. And personally, this is one of my favorite classes that I teach. I love animal science. There's just so much to learn. It's so much to do. So I'm excited that you've stepped into this course with me and we get to experience all the fun things together. So I just wanted to show you a few things on Canvas, point out a few things to you to make you more successful in this class. Hopefully you've clicked around in Canvas already and you found this video through the Hello tab, which is great. And I can tell when you watch it, so make sure that you watch it all the way through, please. So we're going to start with clicking Start Here, which hopefully is what you did, and these three things have showed up for you. They're hello, they're your introductory form, and your COVID-19 information, because we are in the middle of a pandemic. So, the introductory form is very important for you to complete by Friday, September the 18th. It is a very, very simple assignment. You just basically introduce yourself with some interesting facts and a picture, and it helps me put a name and a face together, since unfortunately I cannot physically see you in a classroom due to the COVID-19 and the pandemic and the social distancing and everything going on with that. But we are hopeful to be back together in the spring. Now, after you complete your introductory form over here on the right-hand side, you will see a little circle become with a check mark, means that you completed that. Then I want you to review your COVID-19 information. If you are in a 16-week course or you've already worked in a 12-week course already before this one, then you've probably already seen this information, but please just review it one more time. Then these course resources is always here for you. This Canvas how-to is great if you are new to Canvas or you're confused or you can't find something. But don't let it stress you out. If you're stuck or struggling in Canvas, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you because I can always share what you see student view wise, and we'll solve your problems in Canvas. And then these are some great local resources. Now, if you keep scrolling, you see module 1, 2, and 3 and 4 don't have any information. That does not mean that you don't have any work in this class. It just means that I currently have it hidden, and I have learned and from previous students that it's easier if I keep all of the information hidden and just open up what you need to complete for the following week and those assignments at that time. So next Tuesday, you will see this information right here pop up on module 1. It's where all your assignments will be, your videos from me, anything that you might need to complete that week will be here in the module 1. You cannot access module 2 or any other ones until you've completely successfully finished module 1 work and then the date has arrived for module 2. I don't allow people to work ahead. So that is that. Another great info piece that I want to show you is the syllabus page. The syllabus is great where it houses, all of my contact information. You can see there's 2 different emails on this page. Either one is fine. You can email me or you can even email me through Canvas. Any of the above options, I will be happy to answer with you as quickly as possible. Normally on the weekends is your longest delay from hearing from me. During the week, you'll normally hear from me within a couple of hours. But your assignments sometimes are due on the weekend, so make sure that you contact me before midnight or 11:55 when it's due, because a lot of times on the weekends I am asleep by then, and during the week I'm normally asleep by 11 o'clock. But if you need to give me a call, you can call my office phone and they will send it directly to my personal phone, and then I will give you a call back. If you are wanting to come on campus to meet for something, we can schedule that. We'll just need to schedule it ahead of time so we can make sure that we are following the social distance guidelines. And then if you're not comfortable coming on campus, but you still would like to meet with me face-to-face versus an email, we can set up a Zoom or a Google Meets. I love both of those, and I'll be happy to help and explain that to you if you are confused. And don't worry, Google Meets, you don't have to have a webcam or anything like that. We can actually do it on your cell phone, but you can actually, it's very cool. So there's lots of options. So please don't sit here and struggle in this class. I am here to help you. I'm here to make sure that you are successful. And I'm so excited for this course and the things that you are going to learn in animal science. Again, my name is Miss Finney, and if you have any questions for me, please reach out. I look forward to working with you guys this semester. Have a great day. Bye, guys!